We're live.
Here. Here. Come. Here. Here. Ellie, here. Come on, find the bird. There's a friend over there. Oh, you want to go that way? Here. Ellie, here. Ellie. Here. Here. Whoa, easy. Ellie, come here. Here. Here, Ellie. Here. Find the bird. Find the bird.
Ellie, come! Oh, that's a cool ass picture right there, man.
Come on, girl.
Ellie! Find the bird, Ellie. Damn, this shit is thick. Fuck. Alan, where you at? I'm over here. All right. We're to your left. Sounds immediately left.
I think it's down in front of us, Al.
She's right here. Ellie, come. Come on. Hey. We're over here.
We're hunting.
Ellie, come.
Did you say what you're doing?
I think so. Ellie, come.
We just saw a really big cock.
Was it a pheasant?
Yeah, it sounded like one.
Yeah.
It flew across this way, and I'm telling it's right in front of us here somewhere. Did you actually see it? Yeah. I saw it cross the sky, like through the trees.
Oh, wow.
That shit was like 100 yards.
Fucking one pellet might get lucky.
It was too far out.
What is that, the bird? Nothing is there. She's pointing. Go. Get it. Come on, guys. Go.
Get it!
Go. Go, Ellie. Come. Try between us and... Ellie, go. Get it. Come on.
Nikki, where you at? I see you.
Go.
Could be the rabbit that Nikki saw.
Go, go, go.
Come on, go.
Get it!
Raise it. Go, go. Come on.
Get your toy! Get your toy!
Go, go, go. Come on, go, go.
Ellie, what are you looking at? Me?
She's looking at us like, what's going on?
Ellie, go. Get it.
Is she looking at you?
I mean, she's like pointing, but she's right there.
Maybe we gotta push her.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ellie, watch out. The cat pheasant. Look at this.
All right, Nikki, where you at? Here, I'm gonna let you get this first shot.
Nah, man, we'll both take it. Who gives a fuck? Come on, Marcel. That's you, Alan. Hey, we got a fucking bird! No, it was down.
No, I know, but it could be injured.
Nah, Ellie's got it.
You didn't have a shot?
I don't want to shoot over you. Good job, bro. You hit it. Second shot.
I'm actually surprised. I didn't think the second shot.
Make sure you reload. Where's the bird? Get the bird. Hell yeah, brother. Ha!
I'll let her get it.
Yeah.
Right here.
You see it?
Yeah.
Ellie, come! Oh yeah, Alan, you got it. You killed it. Get the bird, girl.
Nikki, did you see it?
Oh,
You have a
shit.
shot now?
Yeah, I did, but I saw your screen, so I saw it drop.
Okay, I'm moving it.
Shit, I don't want any BBs. It's right
Ellie,
there.
come! Here it is.
Is it dead or is
Yeah,
it alive?
no, it's right there.
Ellie!
It fluttered.
Come,
a couple
come,
times. I watch it drop. I want her
I
to.
didn't even think the second shot had a shot at it because I missed
Oh,
the
you
first
got
one.
it. I saw it. I was about to squeeze. You squeeze. I saw it flutter. Boom, done.
Ellie, come here, girl. Get the bird.
I mean, I could just grab it.
Give her the taste, you know what I mean? Imagine another one. Yeah. Ellie, look, right here. Hey. Ellie, touch. Right here. Ellie. Come. Touch. Here. Yeah. No, what about it? Ellie, touch. She's right here. There she is.
For training, you know, she's not to the lesson for pointing. I ran out of money.
Oh,
Fetching.
Fetch it and hold it for her.
fetching was too much?
Fetching, I ran out of money. I didn't have any more money.
Come on, girl. Right there. It's right there.
No, let her do it. Let her do it. Let her do it.
Is the GoPro on?
I caught it, yeah.
Dude.
Better watch it.
Dude. Stevie has the GoPro on. There's a chance that was all on video.
Ellie, look at this. Ellie, look what I got. Hey.
Here.
Ellie. Oh. Ellie, look. Hey, look what I got. Oh my God. Ellie, here. Look. Woo! Get it. Good girl. Yeah.
Hey, here, Ellie. Ellie.
Ellie, get the bird.
Ellie, at least point them. Let's go over there. You can put them on the piece of wood and let's take a nice picture.
Oh, we got more pheasants.
Ellie. Who's a good girl? That's a nice bird, dude. That's a fat one. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you got him good.
Dude, that hit him in the fucking beak.
I think he did.
Dude, look at the beak, dude.
You got him in the head. I think that's it. No, maybe.
Put it in the bag until we get that to take the
Did you reload? Good job, girlie! Good girl!
Its beak is cracked, like completely.
Let her taste it, Alan. Shove it in her mouth. Yeah. Yeah. Good girl.
Good girl.
Who's a good puppy? Who's a good girl? You got the bird. Here, Ellie, here. Here. Eat it. Rah. Rah.
Ellie, look at me. Hey,
I got blood all over my hands.
hey, look.
Good girl.
Ellie, come here. Look, come on. Hey, look, Ellie. No, Dad, don't call her. No, don't. You asshole.
It's all right.
He wants to take the picture.
Come on, man.
Good girl.
Oh, I didn't get it in time.
Does he have the 13? Good girl. You have treats with you? You need them on you, man. Alan, did you reload? All right.
I got one okay one.
Let's see.
I should have put the video.
It's blurry.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Oh, surprise, that was good.
This one is blurry.
We'll swap a bunch of pictures later. I got some good ones.
If they really couldn't get it someplace that she didn't left it there.
Yeah.
She brought one from Benny for probably 200 yards. It was unbelievable. She keep it like this. Until
You definitely got it in the neck because the neck is bleeding.
yeah, hold it like this until they get here.
Done. Let's go get some more. Good job, man. Fucking killed it. Literally. That's all we needed, bro. We needed a little spark. No, you had the shot. And then it was you or Nikki's bird. It wasn't mine. Listen, if one of us gets it, I don't care. I'm happy.
I know, man, but I come every fucking year with this.
I don't care. Oh, this field is fucking beautiful.
We're already getting sweaty.
Yeah, I gotta strip down a little bit. Look at this wide open field, you know? Would be nice. Oh! I did not even aim, honestly.
Did you get him
No.
though? You said no? You said no, I didn't shoot yet.
Go ahead. He's.
Ellie, come here! What up? You didn't get him.
Yeah.
I had no shot because you guys were right in front of my face. She just scooped it up.
Nice.
It's still alive. She's just fucking with it.
Get it, girl. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it.
Don't let it fucking get away.
No, let her play with it.
I know, but I don't want it to die somewhere like we're gonna get it.
I don't think Ellie's letting this bitch go.
Hey, fetch, bring it up. Come on,
Kill it.
come on, Ellie, come. Bring it in.
Evie was a killer. She would have fucking took its head off.
First pheasant was in the rain, and
Come.
I have a video of it. She just fucking killed it.
Really?
Because it was raining,
Come here, Ellie.
and the pheasant flew up, came back down because it was like, oh, she's not gonna chase me. And Ellie just came and fucking fucked her up.
Nikki, you reloaded?
Yeah.
No, go get it. No,
Why are you fucking?
I'll go get it. I'll go get it. I'm gonna rifle butt it.
right there. See there.
Watch your barrel.
You see that thing?
Oh yeah.
I watch it still alive.
Oh yeah. Shit. Ellie, come on. Ellie, get it. Get it.
No, don't worry.
Get it.
Maybe she squeezed the
Oh, he's got its head. Ellie, eat it. What the fuck? How do I do it? Break its neck?
Yeah, you should grab it like that.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Eat it. Come on. Yeah.
There, good. Yeah, now you're gonna do it. Yeah, good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Good girl. Another one. Put it in the bag. You shot it. Stevie, you put it in your bag. Here's the bag.
Dude, after your second shot, that shit fell like right
Put it in the
there.
bag.
Yeah. I thought I missed. Honestly, I thought about it. I didn't even get it on the sights.
Honestly, you could have maybe even wounded it too. One of you, because it stopped
Wait.
flying.
You don't have the where to put it?
No. I'll put it in Allen's.
No, put it in the.
And I couldn't see because you guys were right there.
Let him feel the.
What a bird
Oh, let's
feels like.
claim. Did you shot two or no?
No.
Oh, I was gonna claim it that you got it, but
Wait, you only shot one round?
Yeah.
Oh.
He did take a shot, but
You have the pack in your back?
did you take a shot, Nick?
Yeah.
No, you got it.
I don't have the backpack part, so. Actually, I actually have a legit backpack on.
Yeah, it's
I'm
okay
so
now.
stupid. Good girl!
Hey, find the bird. Find the bird.
Come on, find the bird.
Go.
Some action. See, your dad was right. You got to start later. Oh! Oh! Hold! I see her. Got him. Perfect, right? I aimed that time. Woo! One and done, baby. Hell fucking yeah, bro. GoPro don't stop until we go home, baby. Get the bird, Ellie. Yeah, good girl, Ellie. Good girl. Come, fetch. Fetch. She has it. Good girl. Good girl. Let me see. Let me see the bird. Good job. Ellie, let me see. Ellie, hey. Come here. Come here, girlie. Good job. Good job, mama. You did it. Show daddy. Let's show daddy. Come on. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's show daddy. Come on. Come on. Show daddy. Ellie, you're so good. She's a good dog. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look, she's wearing it like a badge of honor now. That's pretty cool.
Hey, look at me.
Good job.
that's my girl.
Like, this shit's disgusting, though. Get this shit out of my mouth. Good job, baby. Come here. Let me see. Let me see. Where's his foot? Oh, there it is. Take a picture with me and Ellie. Oh.
Portrait mode?
Come here. Good job.
Come on.
Come here, mama. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here, Elle. Come here. Good job. Come here. Good job. Mwah.
Ellie, look. Hey.
Sick. Here. You don't want it anymore. Perfect shot. One and done, baby. Big fatty. Big fatty.
I got some pictures.
She doesn't like the taste.
All right, lift it up, lift it up.
Actually got some decent pictures. I'll take more with all the birds later. But
Yeah.
It's hard for the...
This stupid tree's in the way. Here, let's go walk in front of it. Oh. Here, I'll come over here. Alan, come over.
there's gonna be another one right here. This one.
Alan, look at... Okay, good.
You want to put this in your bag and then I'll put it in my backpack? Actually, I don't want to split them up. Marcel, you got another bag?
No, you can put it in the same bag.
I'm saying you have another plastic one? This is fucking majestic.
Yeah. All started
Yeah,
already.
man. It happens here, up here, a lot faster.
Do you want to take that picture too?
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh. You just stand like by the edge of the water. Or you want to do me and you?
I was gonna say me and you.
Oh, all right. Atta fucking boy!
That was a woodcock.
Don't say nothing. I don't want somebody.
I literally pumped. I was like, I'm not gonna
Go
shoot
grab
it.
it.
And I fucking shot it and I got it. I don't know if I was gonna find it deep.
Holy shit, is that a rooster?
It's a big rooster, huh?
I don't know if we're gonna find it. Dude, I literally did this. Nah. I'm like, I'm not gonna hit it. I'm like, oh fuck.
We got all this ammo, might as well use it. This is the October 2nd, 2021 installment.
Steve, you know what you gotta say, man. Oh, imagine it was right here.
No, it's too soon, too soon. That was funny though, like over there, I didn't realize how close that, after we said that, that bird fucking flew into us.
And goes, I didn't even aim. And then the next time, yo, I aimed that time.
Yep.
Ellie!
Ellie! Come!
Let her work a little for us. Because it gets thick in there.
Yeah.
Where's the bird, dog? Where's the bird?
Yeah!
Yeah, I'm looking for that and you're bothering me.
Dan, we should have brought some feathers and be like, here, Ellie, find this.
Again?
Boop.
That's you call a shetty point.
They're gonna poop all morning after all
Oh, cup point.
the shit we gave her.
Yeah, I think we fucked up. Where's the birds, girl? Get the birds, mama. Get the birdies. Where the... Ellie, what is it? Oh yeah, she got it. No, she's in point. Mia, hold. Hold. Nope.
Get ready. Get ready. Shoot it.
I can't see it. Did you see it?
I heard it.
Good girl.
We flushed it to you.
Oh look, there's a... I didn't see shit. I heard it.
Hear it?
Yeah. Sounded like there's two of them. Good girl, Ellie! Good girl!
Yeah, back and forth.
Oh yeah, look, we're at the road, see?
Probably, dude, they probably got flushed to the cars.
Or around it, yeah. Good girl!
Let's go, Ellie. Ellie, come here. Come. Hey, Ellie, come here. Come on. Ellie, come here. Come here, Ellie. Ellie.
GoPro, stop recording.
That's how the hunting goes to the horse. Yeah. Covering the fucking ground like crazy.
Oh! Son of a bitch. Come on, guy, you missed too.
I just took a shot for the hell of it, Ellie.
Get the bird, where's the bird, where's the bird?
Find all of you.
I blew it. Come here, Ellie. Come on. Come here, Ellie. Ellie, come. Come on, Ellie. Let's go get it. Oh, she's in point. Alan, she's in point.
Maybe she's looking at you. Go, Ellie, go! Get it! Oh, she's wagging her tail, really excited. I'll do it. I got my safety on. Did she just kill it?
Yeah, she killed something. What is it, Ellie? What is it? Good girl! Oh, it's a bird. Good girl! Yeah! Oh, she got our fucking bird. Good job! Good job! That was our rooster that we were, a cock that we were getting. Oh shit, she's still alive. I snapped the shit out of that thing's neck. It just keeps flinching. want to kill it. It's definitely dead.
Good girl, good girl. Oh, nice pheasant. Yeah, somebody did that, you know, but he couldn't, you know.
Good job, girl. Hey, Ellie. Good girl.
You want a picture or anything? Or?
No, this was Ellie's bird. We fucking
Hold
suck.
on, guys. Wait. Let me take a picture with you guys.
Yeah, but
Look, he's still flinching. I don't understand what I gotta do.
Hold on.
Ellie, come here.
Ellie, come here. Hey, come here. Sit.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Good girl.
Good collar there.
Look, she's still twitching.
Yeah, good.
You took it?
Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl.
You got 2, 3. Oh, enough time.
Nice.
Nice fatty.
Oh,
Okay, you can go, Ollie. You can go find another one.
Go find it. Get it. Get the birds. Get the birds. Get the birds. Get the birds.
Leave it there. Put it in the bag.
Good girl. We need more.
Good girl, yeah. Good girl. He's like, I got it. That's my bird. You guys lazy, don't trust me.
Let's go.
Huh?
I
Find the
think
bird,
I can't
Ollie.
believe we found him, honestly.
Good girl.
we all, one of us
good
wounded it.
girlie.
Yeah, for sure. That
Otherwise
thing
it
did
would've
not
flown.
want to fly.
Nope. It said hell no.
I don't know who wounded. I know I didn't because I didn't follow. I didn't even know. I didn't. I said
I
later.
followed it.
Good girl, Ellie.
I had to make sure it was above you.
You shot two.
Yeah. I shot 2 shots at it.
That was he shot it.
I
It's a longer gun. And 2 shots. That's
I
more.
saw my wad hit it in the ass.
Good girl.
Good girl. You want to get some more, or that's it for today? That was cool.
That one. She said, I'm getting it.
But you see that? You have to trust the dog. You see that she was going crazy like what? And I use that woodcock because woodcock don't go. The cock pheasant, they like to go make a lot of tracks and they go on foot. Somebody,
Did that guy with the 2 pointers get any birds? Did he say anything?
no.
He said he flushed
They
one
missed
out.
one.
Like his dog missed the one that was right there.
Fucking
Maybe this one,
losers.
you know, because you know what they do? They fly. I thought it's more that way, but then they turn around. They turn it toward, in the end of the flight, they go either left or right.
Maybe like juked them. He just flew right back to its spot.
Yeah. Probably lost it in the trees.
Good call on following that bird all the way till it landed. Once I missed my shots, I was reloading. I
That's
took
why
my eyes
said, let's
completely off of
spread,
them.
because they have to be in this thick and let her work. You gotta go slow. That's the thing. You have to give her a chance. So, tell you a funny story here. We were coming from the other side, but Van and Uncle, there was a blow down there, and Lily was going full speed, and all of a sudden she turned, she pointed. And I said to Benny, just watch. It was under the root of the tree, that tree. And how she pointed. I can see that if she wants to flash, she doesn't have nowhere to flash right straight into her mouth. And I said to Benny, let me kick it to see what's going to happen. And sure enough, when she tried to fly, she just snatched it in the middle. Sometimes you find grouse, and the grouse like to eat those red things, you know. Usually later in the year, you know, when it's cold,